In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Messenger without Facebook. While this sounds like a contradiction, here's the key idea. Messenger is tied to your Facebook account. Officially, you can't use Messenger without one because that account is how Messenger knows who you are. However, there is a supported workaround that keeps your profile hidden while letting you keep messaging. It's commonly called a deactivated accept Messenger account, or DEMA. If you don't already have a Facebook account, you can create one just to sign into Messenger. Once you're logged into Facebook, we'll deactivate your profile so it's not visible to others, but your Messenger stays active. Start by logging into Facebook on a web browser. In the top right corner, click the small downward arrow. Choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. In the left-hand menu, look for Your Facebook Information or, in some layouts, Personal Details. From there, click Account Ownership and Control. Next, choose Deactivation and Deletion. This is the important part. Select Deactivate Account, not Delete Account. Delete will permanently remove your data and take Messenger with it, so stick with Deactivate. Click Continue to Account Deactivation. Facebook will guide you through a few prompts. It may ask for a reason, offer to pause notifications, or show reminders about what deactivation means. Read these carefully, but you don't need to change anything beyond what you're comfortable with. When you're ready, click Deactivate. Your Facebook profile will now be hidden. People won't see your timeline or be able to view your profile, but your Messenger remains usable with the same login. After this, open the Messenger app or go to messenger.com and sign in with your Facebook credentials. You can send and receive messages, make voice and video calls, and keep your existing chat history. Keep in mind that your name and profile photo may still appear in conversations, and people you've chatted with before can still reach you. That's normal because your Messenger identity is still tied to your Facebook account in the background. A couple of tips to make this smoother. Remember that deactivation is reversible, so if you ever need to manage your Facebook settings again, you can log back in and reactivate your profile. Also, avoid choosing Delete unless you're sure you want to remove everything, including Messenger. And that's it. That's how to keep using Messenger while your Facebook profile stays deactivated with the DEMA setup.